Calling the puppet master. Too damn out of order. Calling the puppet master. But me seen you coming long time now, Rasta. Why stab me in my back? Try act like him a part of the team and all that. He stabbed me in the back. Try to set me up, talking shit and all that. He must have never seen that I knew what was going on from a long time now. But this pussy all stabbed me in the back. Boy, hey, your boy, the pussy all stabbed me in the back. Yeah, on the YouTube streets, you know it's straight attack. Word gets around, man's got the ones he trusts on his right hand now. Thought he did anyway. Man's them a try lead him astray, acting like the world was okay, leaving links and all that. You hear what I say, but nah. He might dead wrong. He might come to me with some dumb ass song, try to tell me I have to meet up with a man them. He wants to solve out that problem, but it never happened just once, but twice, many time now. But this is the last time now. He don't drop that dime now. He stab me in the back, try to come around me, make me run an attack. Yo, he stab me in the back, move like a snake in the grass. So slow, not fast, yeah. Stab me in the back, acting like mounts want me attention. That dimension, stab me in the back. Why you gonna do this till we yo? I thought we was family. When it comes to that YouTube street, don't trust nobody, yo. When it comes to the YouTube street, don't trust nobody, yo. Stab me in the back. Why ain't gonna move like that? Yo, why ain't gonna move like stab me in the back? Why ain't gonna move like that? Now it's full on attack, oi, but him foolish. He's so foolish, stupid. Should I waste time busting him in him behind, treating like a kid do? Nah, I'm gonna do something brand new. Make sure the world knows too. Black people talking to you. Stab me in the back. Isn't the first time for this attack. Got a history, done it to a man. I took that info from that man. Yo, stab me in the back. Won't let it happen again like that. Stupid little brat, he needs a little slap. Moving around like that, he should get a big attack. Oi, pussy boy, time for you to come my way. Now I know your DNA, done this shit before. You're just here to make madness. Stab me in the back. How you gonna do this shit, little bitch boy? How you gonna do this? Stab me in the back. Hey, yo, stab me in the back. Hey, yo, oh. Oh, yo, big trouble. Yo, hey. Little nigga, stab me in the back. Stab me in the back, hey. Stab me in the back, hey, yo. Little nigga, stab me in the back. Shoulda known. Hey, yo. Yeah. He must stab me in the back. Bitch ass nigga with that weak attack. He should never ever did nothing like that. He must have forgot who I is. You must have forgot who I is. Stab me in the back. Yeah. Why you talking shit now? Yeah. Making up stories, fit to my mind and it's a hurry. You want to see two niggas fight? Nigga, your head isn't right.